Welcome guys, here is how to change your WhatsApp tune easily. You go to your WhatsApp application, you click the three-dotted icon on the top right hand area, and then you go over to settings. Then you scroll down to notification. You can see notification right here. You click on that. Now from this area you can actually set your tone. You can see it says conversation tone and everything. You can see the message for the message notification. Click on this, and then there are different tunes, and you can also select from Pixel sound. This from this sound, let's say from Pixel sound. You can click on this. Yeah, that is not bad, but it takes longer. But anyway, if you're okay with that, set it. And then when you set it and you receive message, that is what you are going to hear. So if you're done, you back out. It saves automatically. So that is it. If you are okay with this video or you have further questions, leave it on the comment section. I will see you guys on the next one.